Welcome to the future of AI. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, Google's latest and most powerful language model. It's not just a tool, it's a versatile companion, ready to assist you in countless ways. What is Gemini? Gemini is a cutting-edge language model developed by Google AI. Think of it as a super-intelligent digital assistant, capable of understanding and responding to your queries in a human-like manner. It's trained on a massive dataset of text and code, enabling it to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The power of Gemini. Gemini's versatility is truly astounding. Let's explore some of its key capabilities. Language understanding and generation. Gemini can comprehend complex queries and generate human-quality text. Whether you need help writing an email, drafting a report, or creating a poem, Gemini is up to the task. Translation: seamlessly translate text between languages, making it a valuable tool for global communication. Code generation: for programmers, Gemini can assist with code generation, debugging, and explanation. Summarization: quickly summarize lengthy articles, reports, or documents, saving you time and effort. Creative writing: from writing scripts and poems to composing songs and stories, Gemini can spark your creativity. Knowledge base: access a vast knowledge base and get answers to your questions, no matter how complex. How to use Gemini. Narrator: using Gemini is incredibly simple. Here's a basic guide. Access Gemini: you can access Gemini through various platforms, including Google Search, Google Workspace, and dedicated apps. Provide instructions, clearly articulate your request. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, instead of saying write an essay, you could say write a 500-word essay on the impact of AI on society. Iterate and refine: Gemini's responses can be further customized. If you're not satisfied, provide additional context or ask for revisions. Real-world applications. Gemini has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Here are a few examples. Education: assisting students with research, writing assignments, and language learning. Healthcare: analyzing medical data, generating patient reports, and providing medical information. Creative arts: inspiring artists, writers, and musicians with new ideas and creative prompts. Business: automating tasks, improving customer service, and generating marketing content. Ethical considerations in the future of AI. While Gemini offers immense potential, it's crucial to address ethical concerns surrounding AI. As AI becomes more advanced, it's important to ensure responsible development and usage. Transparency, accountability, and fairness should be core principles in AI development. Conclusion: Gemini is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance our lives. By understanding its capabilities and using it responsibly, we can unlock its full potential. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come.